I'm the CSO of Arisa, which is a small biotech company. And we're working on Tailcrest, which is a plant that we have modified so it can detect landmines. Every mine leaks explosives including TNT and DNT and nitric oxide, which can trigger a molecular mechanism in the plant and makes it turn red instead of green.
What we have here, the black ones, is control pots. That is soil not containing TNT, just ordinary growth media. These are TNT pots containing TNT granulate, so we can see the difference in the color of the plants growing on TNT soil and on control soil.
The most frequent asked question is, of course, how do you seed these seeds since you can't walk in an area which is mined? You will prepare the soil by flailing, preceded by hydroseeding. You will wait 5 to 6 weeks to see the plant emerge. In this way, once the color indications are there, deminers can safely go into the minefield, identify the red spots and remove the mines. We hope to accomplish the mission of giving land back to farmers and also to save lives. I think it's worth that you do work on something that will make you feel good and make you be able to look yourself in the eyes in the morning. Much better than producing mines, I would say.